But right now, we begin with breaking news in the cruise ship murder case. Good afternoon. I'm Alan Campbell.
I'm Sana Kadange. West 2 investigative reporter Justin Shecker is joining us live in Miami, where the stepbrother of Anna Kepner was scheduled for an arraignment.
But as we reported yesterday, Justin, he did not make an appearance in court.
And as expected, Alan and Sonica, was a very brief arraignment hearing this morning with only the attorneys present. Now, the hearing took place in the smaller federal courthouse right across the street. The case was called as USA vs. TH, so they're still not naming him, even though he's being prosecuted as an adult. The magistrate judge accepted the teen's waiver of appearance. This is video of the federal public defender who appeared on TH's behalf. He left the courthouse without answering questions reporters tried asking. In the courtroom, he told the judge TH is pleading not guilty to his charges of murder and aggravated sexual abuse. He also said they have a copy of the superseding indictment. They're asking for discovery from the government and demanding a trial by jury. The assistant U.S. attorney responded that discovery had already been handed over in full in 3 disclosures. And that includes the lab analysis of DNA testing and the Miami-Dade medical examiner's autopsy report. The cause of Anna Kepner's death on the Carnival cruise ship last November was determined to be mechanical asphyxiation. Now, the issue of pretrial detention did not come up during the hearing that lasted less than 2 minutes. So now we wait for a report and a recommendation from the magistrate judge who approved the teen's order of release back in February. A former federal prosecutor tells West 2 Anna Kepner's stepbrother would not be able to skip a bond hearing if and when that's scheduled. Reporting live in Miami, I'm Justin Shecker, West 2 News.